side. Beauty and strength walk hand in hand with pride. Golden sunshine on the morning sky. Green hills rising where our dreams can fly. Through every storm we still remain strong and proud through joy and pain. Every heartbeat, every name carries honor for Jamaica's fame. Raise the flag and let it wave for the land our fathers gave. Stand as one, let voices say, Jamaica shines a brighter day. Dear Jamaica, land we love, blessed below and blessed above. Shine and glow for all to see, proud and strong, forever free. Dear Jamaica, hear our song. We've been faithful, we've been strong. Hands up high, let praises wave. Bright tomorrow for Jamaica. Oh, for Jamaica. Yeah. From the farmers till in fertile ground, to the city streets where dreams are found. From the classrooms to the athlete's race, excellence lives in every place. Those abroad still call your name, carry your pride in every lane. Near or far we all proclaim, there's no place like Jamaica's flame. No divide can break our stand, love runs deep across this land. One people, one heart, one way, brighter grows our home each day. Dear Jamaica, land we love, blessed below and blessed above. Shine and glow for all to see, proud and strong, forever free.